We just wanted to give you a very quick update on what we're doing for Chelsea and how the preparation is coming along. So this is more of the structure of the stand. We wanted these nice curves coming along there, and it's my dad's been making these. So inside here we're going to have the herbs, mixed planted herbs. They're growing away really nicely. The weather has helped recently. It's been nice and warm, so that's working really well. Then we've got some standard bays going here. And in a previous episode, we actually showed you moving the chillies into our growing room to get them really going. And this is the results. These are still in the growing room. They're still growing really well. They've actually got some flower and in some cases some fruit coming as well. This was very small, only around about 4 weeks ago. So they're growing away nicely. They're going to be actually perfect for Chelsea. This area here is going to be a patio area where we put the chillies in patio pots, just to show how well they work on the patio or windowsill in a small space. That's a really hot chilli as well. So I'm really happy that's actually starting to fruit and flower, because it's really early for that one. So yeah, going really well. Really pleased with the shape, really pleased with how it's going. So yeah, we're about 3 weeks to go until Chelsea, until we start setting up. So yeah, all going well.